Let's be real, most of us want to feel healthier, but finding time, that's the hard part. The good news? Today, I'm sharing 5 science-backed health hacks you can do in under 30 seconds a day. And yes, they actually work. These are simple, free, and perfect for busy people. Let's dive in. Splashing your face with cold water for just 30 seconds can instantly lower your heart rate, improve alertness, and reduce feelings of anxiety. This taps into what scientists call the mammalian diving reflex, a natural reaction that slows the heart and redirects blood flow to vital organs when the face hits cold water. But how cold does it need to be? The ideal temperature is around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Cool enough to shock your system, but not painful. You don't need full-on ice water, but your face should definitely say, "Whoa, that's cold." A 2013 study in Frontiers in Physiology found that cold facial immersion activates the vagus nerve, which helps regulate mood and stress. Tip: fill a bowl with cold water and a few ice cubes, or just use cold tap water if it runs cold enough. Try it first thing in the morning instead of caffeine. Too lazy to splash? Even better, just dunk your face. Seriously. Grab a bowl, fill it with cold water and a handful of ice cubes, and dip your whole face in for about 15 to 30 seconds. This full face dunk actually amplifies the vagus nerve response because it stimulates the sensitive nerve zone around your nose and eyes. It's kind of like you're tricking your body into thinking you're diving underwater. And yes, you'll feel ridiculous, but also weirdly amazing afterward. This one's simple. Take 10 deep, intentional breaths. It takes about 30 seconds, and it can lower your stress hormones and even reduce your blood pressure. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology and Hypertension Research show that slow diaphragmatic breathing reduces cortisol levels and can cause a noticeable drop in blood pressure, even in just one session. You can even test this yourself. Take your blood pressure using a digital monitor. Do 10 slow, deep belly breaths. Inhale through the nose, hold for 2 seconds, exhale slowly through the mouth. Then take your blood pressure again. Even a drop of 3 to 5 millimeters of mercury is a win, and some people see even more. So the next time you're stressed, anxious, or need to reset, just breathe. Seriously. This next one might sound too simple to be true, but trust me, your posture has power. Standing tall for just 30 seconds can shift your brain into a more confident, assertive state. The way you carry yourself doesn't just influence how others see you, it also affects how you feel inside. Studies from Harvard and Columbia show that adopting a power pose, like standing tall with your shoulders back and chest open, can actually increase testosterone, your confidence hormone, and lower cortisol, your stress hormone, in just a couple minutes. Now, the science on hormone shifts is debated, but what's not debated is the immediate effect on your mental state and presence. Your brain takes posture cues seriously. Standing tall tells your nervous system, "I'm safe, I'm capable, I've got this." And that signal alone can reduce anxious feelings before a big meeting, a video call, or even just a stressful errand. Here's a quick posture reset. Roll your shoulders back, tuck your chin slightly, lift your chest, and stand or sit up straight, like you're being pulled up by an invisible string. Do this for just 30 seconds. It's like hitting the confidence refresh button on your whole body. Bonus: try doing this while walking into a room. It changes how people perceive you and how you perceive yourself. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before a meal can improve digestion and stabilize blood sugar. A 2004 study published in Diabetes Care showed that vinegar consumption reduced post-meal blood glucose levels by up to 34% in people with insulin resistance. ACV may slow the digestion of starches, helping you feel full longer and avoid energy crashes. Quick tip: Always dilute your ACV in water to protect your teeth and stomach. 1 tablespoon ACV plus 1 cup of water and you're good. This one takes almost no time, but the mental payoff is huge. It's called the gratitude glance, a 30-second pause to focus on just one thing you're grateful for. That's it. One thing, one moment, one feeling. Here's why it works. Practicing gratitude, even briefly, has been shown to rewire the brain over time by increasing activity in the medial prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain associated with emotional regulation and long-term happiness. A 2017 study from UC Berkeley found that people who wrote down one thing they were grateful for each day reported better mental health and lower inflammation markers in their bodies. We're talking real measurable health benefits. So no, it's not woo-woo. Gratitude shifts your nervous system from fight or flight into rest and digest, a parasympathetic state that boosts your immune system, calms anxiety, and even improves sleep. You don't have to journal or make a whole ritual out of it. Just take 30 seconds to close your eyes and call one thing to mind. A friend who texted you, a cozy blanket, your body getting you through the day, even this moment where you're giving yourself 8 minutes to learn something new. Pro tip: pair it with something routine, like brushing your teeth or drinking water, so it becomes a daily habit without effort. And the best part, gratitude gets stronger the more you practice. It's like a mental muscle. One small glance can ripple into a whole new mindset. Let's recap. Here are your 5 health hacks that each take less than 30 seconds. Cold water splash to calm your nervous system, deep breathing to lower cortisol and blood pressure, stand tall for confidence, apple cider vinegar for blood sugar and digestion. A gratitude pause to boost mental health. They may be small, but done daily, they build real momentum for your well-being. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this helped you, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized health science. See you next time and stay well.